Hello guys, welcome to today's video by Trust and Leyan. This is a TS Tech Talk video guys. So on today's video guys, I'm just going to actually explain something very quick because this is actually supposed to be a more full video on the Facebook Reels on your PC, but fortunately enough, Facebook Reels is not on PC, so do not expect me to create any tutorial for Facebook Reels on PC because it's actually not available for PC user. Facebook Reels only works on mobile because it only allows you to record your face and do a lot of things. The Reels is actually more interactive and more easy when you are creating it. So I know we do not have this option for the PC, but I'm just going to take my time to go around to show you guys, or probably to prove to you guys that we do not have the Reels. So this right now is on our normal profile, and usually we should also be able to watch the Reels on the profile, but if you notice, we cannot watch Reels on the normal profile. Talk more of the Facebook page. And then let me go ahead and switch to the Facebook page guys. I do not want to waste much time on this video, so I'm going to click on switch, and then I'm going to select the page, which is TS Tech Talk. So I'm going to wait for it to load up. It's going to take some time and it will be loaded. Okay, right now we are on the page, and if you notice on the mobile section, immediately you come to the home page, you should see somewhere around this top area where it says home and Reels, and then there is some other things here. But right now you can notice it's not displaying like it is on the mobile. And also when you scroll down a little, you can also see the Reels somewhere around here, but not on the bottom, just in the middle area. But for some reason it's not displaying. Instead it's just showing me suggestion of pages to follow or pages to like. So you can see it's not displaying right here. Even though we keep scrolling and scrolling, it won't show up. It will only keep auto-loading different things. And then also on this left hand area, you can still notice where it says see more, and you notice there is watch, there is group, there is pages, there is ad center, and there is ad manager, climate, community, events, emotional health, and live videos, and every other thing, but there is no way to actually find Reels. So on the top of this area, you can see watch. This watch actually is an uploaded video on YouTube, and some of them are also short videos and live stream of game. And this section right here is for gaming, and it also includes some games and some videos uploaded by those gaming accounts. And then this is group. So there is nowhere to actually find the Reels, and under this menu area we still can't find the Reels. But if you notice on the mobile section, on the mobile device, whenever I click on the menu, I should also see option to watch Reels, where there is an option for Reels. And right here, these are groups and different options. So guys, we do not have option for Reels on the PC area. That is the reason why I have not created them. And you shouldn't find that strange or weird because it's actually not from your device, because most times whenever people look for something they have on their mobile phone and they can't find it, they think it's actually a problem and start looking for it. So the reason why you do not have Reels on your PC or on your laptop is actually because it's not available for PC or laptop user. That particular layout is only for mobile user. So there are some features that are only meant for mobile users. So stop searching for it. There is no PC or laptop version for Reels. So that is all I want to discuss with you guys for today. And this is actually, in case you are watching this video in the future, this is actually April, and today is 21st of April, and then 2022. So if maybe in the future they decide to add this particular option, because almost most of the laptop has a webcam. So if they decide to add this particular feature later in the future, that's fine. But do not forget that this feature is actually meant for short videos, and the sizes of the videos are actually very different. So if you're making it on PC, it's going to be wide because PC screen has a wide range. So that is the reason why they do not add this on PC. But if they decide in the future to add this, then that's fine, and we can still discuss about that later on. But right now, it's not available on PC. So that is all I want to discuss with you guys. Thank you for watching the video, and see you on my next video. Please stay safe and peace.